Hi everybody, welcome to Helsdon Outdoors. Hej allihopa, välkommen till Helsdon Outdoors. So what if you can't put your Helsdon hammock down on the ground to fold it because it's all rocks and water where you are, or it's muddy or whatever? Well, it's not that difficult to fold it in the air. Now the spreader bars are parallel thanks to gravity. So I grab the first pair here and just fold it over. And I put all the suspension webbing inside and I just start rolling. And then I fold over the other pair like that. And I keep rolling. Of course, this won't be as neat as if I do it properly on the ground, but it'll do. There. And then use the other suspension strap to wrap it around so that it's easier to handle. There. Again. Put it into the stuff bag. Of course, it's a little bit harder because it's not as neat as if you do it on the ground.